So I will now unboxing the latest Wi-Fi router by around TP-Link, yung Wi-Fi 7 niya. So ito po ngayon yung binili ko sa Lazada. So kuan siya. May tapos smart Wi-Fi light bulb and ito po. Saka may ito tatlo pa lang ako. Tapos itong medyo malaki, saka may maliit. So tatlong smart Wi-Fi light bulb, multicolor, tapos mini Wi-Fi. However, ito yung pinaka sikat, pinaka main highlight ng event. Ito yung mag-unboxing tayo ng TP-Link BE360. Ito pala yung girlfriend ko. Nasali sa view. Ito pala BE360 dual band Wi-Fi 7 router Archer BE23, exploring the new eras of Wi-Fi. Lightning fast speed 3.6 gigabits dual band Wi-Fi 7, 2.5 multi-gig connectivity. May far-reaching coverage for times and external antennas with beamforming, ultra smooth Wi-Fi, lower latency for lag-free gaming. Ito pa yung kanyang world's number 1 TP-Link Wi-Fi 7, works with any internet provider. Here we can observe meron siyang, here it is a dual band Wi-Fi router. Ito yung setup, 2.5 GHz, 2.5 gigabit wired connection devices. Tapos may yung content niya is isang Wi-Fi 7 router Archer, power adapter, may RJ45 Ethernet cable, at saka quick station guide. At the back we have the features: powered by Wi-Fi 7 technology, 5 GHz band and 2.4 GHz band, multi-link operational, 4K cam, kanyang multi-use, and flexible whole home Wi-Fi, whole home mesh Wi-Fi. May router, VPN client, great compatibility all generations, easy network management. Meron naman siyang naka-install sa TP-Link na app, network protection. Tapos dito, ito yung full specification niya: BE3 dual Wi-Fi router 7, Wi-Fi 7. Ito yung wireless ports, antennas, dimension, security, Wi-Fi 7 features, value added features, and easy mesh compatible. So here, dalawa yung binili ko kasi isa dito sa aming bahay dito at isa sa bahay sa aking mama. Isa ito para sa ito. Love, pakita ka sa camera. Yung agtang mo nakita. So, we will unbox this one. Okay. So, let's continue unboxing this one. Ito yung ito with my fiancé. Say hi to Bini Carol. So, ito po ngayon yung kanyang TP-Link. Oh. Okay. Paka-premium yung feel, guys. Sa mabigat siya, around 2 kilos. Mabigat. So, nahihirapan ako magkuhan kasi medyo isa lang yung kamay ko. So, yan. Okay. Yan. So, ito na po yung pinaka hintay-hintay namin na Wi-Fi. Ang antenna po ay nakakabit na siya. So, hindi mo na siyang kailangan pang i-install. Nakakabit na siya. It is already installed. It is already installed in the Wi-Fi router. So, unlike the PLDT na i-attach mo pa ito, naka-install na siya. Yan. Yun oh. Yun oh. So, ito po yung kanyang router. Then, at the back is 4 giga 4 LAN cable na blue output saka input 2.5 gigabits. So, may LED siya. May LED, WPS, Wi-Fi reset, internet, USB on or off, power. Yan lang, simple lang siya. And sa kanyang likod is yung nakalagay dito TP-Link. Yan yung specs niya. Okay. Yung password, i-kuhan ko pa yan. I will password it. Change it password. Okay. So that is all, guys. Meron pa ito. Aside nito sa Wi-Fi 7 at TP-Link, meron pang installation guidelines. Tapos may Wi-Fi info card, may GNU, may ambot lang. Tapos meron ng ito. Then merong guide o technical support guide. And ito yung yung kanyang power cord outlet. So that's it, guys. Ang price po nito is around 5,000. Masa mga 4,000 plus, malapit na almost 5,000. Yan. This is the first Wi-Fi 7 in the Philippines. So that's it, guys. This is the TP-Link, and I will post the details about the performance in next video. So like and subscribe for more updates in this Wi-Fi router. Like and subscribe daw. Labi na. Hindi yan. So that's it, guys. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.